Hey there everyone, welcome to another episode of Living in Northern California. We're gonna keep this one short because we are in a brand new community that's not even open yet. We just were able to tour the 4 models. There's a lot going on in this community and I call it the land of opportunity because the growth that's coming to Roseville is kind of unreal. And the way they're planning the city out is absolutely amazing. So Rose, do you have anything to share on this community?
Yeah, absolutely. So we are in a brand new development called Amarillo Ranch. They're building about 2,600 homes here. So this is actually the second builder that's in this area. So they probably built maybe about 100 homes with the first builder. But we were actually invited to do a preview at this new community, and they are opening on Saturday. So we wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of what they have coming. They have 2 communities here. One's going to be on the luxury end and then another one in the entry level. But there are a lot of floor plans to choose from.
Entry level is pretty nice though.
Oh yeah, no, for sure.
It's not really entry level. It's beautiful homes, right?
Yeah.
It's a little bit more affordable, I guess.
Right, yeah. So they're actually building about 130-ish homes, 60 in each community. And the cool thing is this area is going to belong to the Roseville School District, which is top-notch schools here in Roseville. So there's a lot of opportunity for growth. So we wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of what they have coming, but stay tuned because on another video, we're also going to post the full tours of all these models as well.
We're going to do our best. We got, 4 tours that we're going to bring you guys. We got to go home, we got to edit it, and we need to get it up as soon as possible because this community is opening in a few days and we want to get you those videos first.
All right, you guys. So if you guys have any questions about this community or any communities in the area, please make sure to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help answer any questions that you have.
All right, see you guys on the next one.